Why my Panasonic AC is not cooling. Easy fixes you must try. Your Panasonic AC isn't cooling, likely due to simple issues like dirty air filters, wrong settings, mode, temp, or blocked outdoor coils, but could also be serious problems like low refrigerant, leaks, a faulty compressor, capacitor, or control board, often indicated by blinking lights or error codes, like H11, F90, needing professional service. Start by checking, cleaning filters and settings. If that fails, look for error codes and call a technician. Quick fixes, DIY, check settings. Ensure it's in cool mode, not fan, or dry, and the temperature is set low, e.g., 16 to 20 degrees Celsius. Clean air filters. Clogged filters block airflow, reducing cooling. Clean or replace them. Clear outdoor unit. Remove leaves, dirt, and debris from the condenser unit, outdoor fan, to allow heat dissipation. Reset the unit. Turn off the power at the breaker or unplug the unit for 5 minutes to reset electronics. Common issues requiring a pro. Low refrigerant, leaks. If coils are freezing or it's blowing warm air, you might have a leak. Needs professional leak detection and recharge, notes Bajaj FinServe. Faulty compressor, fan motor, the heart of the system. If it's not running, the unit won't cool. Capacitor issues. A bad run capacitor can prevent the fan or compressor from starting. Thermostat, sensor problems. Malfunctioning sensors, thermistor, or thermostat can give wrong readings. Error codes, blinking lights, blinking timer light, indicates a fault. Use the remote's check button, pin needed, to find codes like H11, communication error, F87, overheating, or sensor errors, H14, H15, etc. Contact a service agent. Provide the code to the technician for faster diagnosis, advises Panasonic. When in doubt, especially with error codes or if the unit won't turn on/off, call a certified Panasonic service technician.